Welcome to Flash University. This time we're going to take a look at the internal power disconnect, which is used to turn off the Vanguard Medium Intensity LED System Controller. This is the Vanguard System Controller. Input voltage will connect to TB1 on the bottom right of the controller. Depending on the age of the system, you will find either an internal 2-position breaker switch or a fuse block. The controller is turned on when the switch is in the up position and a red window is shown. To turn the unit off, simply flip the switch down until a green window is shown below the switch. If the fuse block is present, drop the assembly down to turn the system off. If a fuse replacement is needed, remove power from the source, locate the side access flap, and open the flap to access the fuses for replacement or testing. Use 15 amps low-blow ceramic fuses when a replacement is needed. It is highly recommended to check the MOV for damage if you are replacing the fuses. The MOV is located on the TB1 circuit before the fuses. Perform a visual inspection on the MOV and check for a physical discoloration on the outside of the components. Check the blue power LED, as this is a voltage indicator to let you know the system is operating with full output voltage. Once incoming power is removed, the LED should turn off in about 5 to 10 seconds to indicate a full power discharge. However, you should never solely rely on the lamp for voltage testing. Use a voltmeter before servicing the equipment.